everyone, welcome to our video. Today we are going to begin with our book, that is Knowledge World of Class 3 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, today we are going to begin with our chapter number 22 and it is about Incredible India. Our India is incredible, and in this chapter we are going to study about the various symbols of our country. It begins with that the national symbols of India, they represent the identity of our country. जितने भी national symbols हैं हमारी country के, हमारी country को वो identify करते हैं, and they make us feel proud, and we are very proud of them. Let us learn about the national symbols of our country. So in this chapter, you will learn about the various national symbols of our country. So let's begin with it. It says, fill in the blanks by selecting the words from the help desk. So there are certain words given in the help desk and you have to identify the correct answer for each statement. So let's now begin with the answers. Let's now begin with the first question, and the first blank is blue color in our national flag is seen in the dash. So where is the blue color seen in our national flag is? It is seen in Ashoka Chakra. Then we have the second statement, dash is our national flower. So what is our national flower? Lotus. Then the third question is, our national tree is dash and banyan tree is our national tree. Then the fourth statement is, the national fruit is dash. Our national fruit is mango. Fifth statement, Satyamev Jayate means, and what is the answer for it? The answer is truth alone triumphs. Sixth question, our national song Vande Mataram by its written was Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. I repeat, the answer for this question, that who wrote Vande Mataram, it was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Then the next question, our national anthem was written by whom? Rabindranath Tagore, and this is the image of Rabindranath Tagore. Then the eighth is, the national emblem of India is taken from Ashoka's lion capital. Okay, we are talking about the national emblem and it is taken from Ashoka's lion capital, this one. Then we have the ninth statement and it says, the Constitution of India, it came into force on 26 January 1950. And this day is celebrated as what? Republic Day, and this is the image of Republic Day. This was all about the fill in the blanks. Let's now do the quick fact question. The quick fact question is, India is the largest democracy in the world. हमारी दुनिया में, or you can say in our world, India has the largest democracy. And it also has the longest written constitution out of all the countries in the world. We have so many constitutions written in our world of many countries, and India is a country which has the longest constitution written over in India. And when it came into force? It came into force on 26 January 1950. So this was all about the quick fact portion. I hope you have understood about the various symbols of our incredible India, and this was all about the chapter. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.